The law of attraction. How to manifest anything you want. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Thank you so much for tuning into this channel. Thank you for subscribing, and always click the bell icon because we're here 5 days a week to empower your life. We're talking about the law of attraction. I want to give you some real clear guidance on how to manifest with the law of attraction and make it happen fast. I mean, you don't need a lot of delay because the law of attraction, high flyers, is always working. Some people say, well, I'm going to manifest with the law of attraction. I think I'll try the law of attraction. That's kind of like saying, I think I'll try gravity. I think I'll try air for a change. It's a law. It is actually part of the law of vibration. It happens all the time. So if your life is going great, you're manifesting it. If your life is going terrible, you're manifesting it. Whatever is happening in your life is exactly what you're manifesting. Do you want to see what your vibration is? Look at your life. You'll be able to tell very quickly what your vibration is. High flyers, one of my favorite quotes is from the late Wayne Dyer. And he said, it's not what you want that you attract, because everybody wants something, right? You want something. The person across the world wants something. Everybody wants something. It's what you are. So if you want to see what you are, look at what you're attracting. Now, I only emphasize this because I want you to understand that the law of attraction is always working. So if you've gone through a breakup recently, at some level, you've attracted it. Going through money challenges, at some level, you've attracted those too. So high flyers, the reason is that everything is energy. Everything is vibration. Your energy, your thoughts are energy. What you desire to attract is energy and vibration. It's all vibration. When you begin to align, when you begin to line up to whatever it is that you desire to attract, then it's a certainty you will manifest it into your life. So high flyers, what I wanted to do is cull through my library. I have over 5,000 books that are directly or indirectly related to the law of attraction and to ancient wisdom and to modern science and to all of the teachings from the ancients to present time. And I said, if I could cull these down into 7 principles, what would those 7 principles be? And I want to share them with you right now. Number 1, it's already yours. Whatever you desire to attract, the love, money, happiness, health, prosperity, that new home, that new car, that debt-free life, whatever it is, the money in the bank account, it's already yours. You see, everything in the universe that you desire to manifest is already present, high flyers. It's already here. All you need to do is align to it. All you need to do is have the right key. And the right key is to be at the right frequency. And of course, I believe, my personal belief is, the higher you raise your vibration, the more you have available to you. In other words, if you're at a very low vibration down here, you don't have much available to you. But if you're way up here, like where the eagles are at, then all of this below is available to you. So raising your vibration and understanding that what you deeply desire is already present. It's already manifested. Once you understand that, you'll understand that All you need to do is put yourself in the right mind frame. Well, number 2 is what I call zero in. And, the ancients talk a lot about focusing. They would do a lot of staring into water. They would put ink into a bowl of water so that it would be black water. And they would let their mind go into this black water. And they would focus, and they used a lot of other methods, crystals and so forth. And all of it was designed to focus on what you are manifesting, and eliminate all the limiting beliefs, the doubts, the fears, the anxiety. Let it go away from you, let it fade away, and focus on your intention. You see, successful people, they make up their mind quickly, like that, and they change their mind slowly. Unsuccessful people make up their mind slowly, take forever, and they change their mind quickly. And the reason is successful people have clear focus. They've zeroed in on exactly what they're manifesting. So there's a lot of ancient techniques, but the truth of the matter is, if in your own mind, you know exactly what you desire and you're clear to the detail, then your chances of manifesting, they're not chances anymore. They're certainties. Well, high flyers, I grew up a religion where people knelt down and they begged God and begged and begged and begged and please God, please God. And of course, I've done my share of that as well, especially when I was younger. And I understand that. And in a crisis, when you feel you have no one to turn to, even an atheist starts praying to God. But Neville Goddard says, pray as God. Allow that God energy, that infinite universal source energy within you to begin to speak, to begin to pray. I'm not necessarily talking about speaking in tongues or anything. What I'm talking about is commanding and calling and invoking the forces of nature to conform to your will. Because, and I'm not talking about your ego will, I'm talking about your eternal will, to be in harmony with your will. And when you take your will and you move it forward, not your will, but thy will, when you take thy will, which is within you, and you express it, there's nothing you can't manifest. Well, high flyers, number 4 may be the most difficult of all. It's called trust the process. And even somebody who is a professional at manifesting, somebody who's a master at manifesting, they're going to have those moments when they wonder if the process really is working for them. We all have those moments of doubt, of fear, of anxiety. But the difference is that the person who is a master manifester, who is about to manifest anything they desire, that person says, look I can't see it. I don't know how it's going to happen. I don't know when it's going to happen, but I do know this. It's already happened. And I trust the process. Well, high flyers, when I've worked with people that were overweight and lost a lot of pounds, 20, 30, 50, 80, 100 pounds, what I found was they used different diets. They did different exercises. But one thing that they had in common, at some point, they had a clear picture of what they looked like without all that extra weight. They could see themselves strong, slender, healthy, vibrant, and they burnt that picture into their mind. So when they saw that cupcake or that cookie, that picture was just glowing inside their subconsciousness, and their subconscious was screaming out to their conscious, no, that isn't part of who we are anymore. I've seen people literally give up eating sweets and sugars overnight and not go through any withdrawal, because you know what was stronger than the sugar addiction? The carb addiction? Do you know what was stronger? Their desires, dreams, and goals. They had a clear picture in their mind. They visualized a new version of what they could be, what they really are if they choose to be. Well, number 6 is another one that's based on Neville Goddard's work. He says feelings are the secret. I think that's the name of the book. Yep, feelings are the secret. And I agree with him. You have to emotionalize your affirmations. If you have visualizations, you have to emotionalize them. You need to feel them. You need to be so in touch with those feelings. And they need to be so strong within your body, because feelings and emotions are within your body. Thoughts are within your mind. And when they happen together, it's an unstoppable force, because it fires off your energy field, connecting to the infinite field of potential. It's remarkable, but manifestation just seems to happen quickly and effectively. Well, high flyers, number 7 is gratitude. And I can't be grateful enough for you, for my family, for my friends, for my health, for my past, for my future. I'm just absolutely grateful. And the more we focus on gratitude, the more we empower the law of attraction in our life, because it's very difficult to have low vibrational thoughts and feelings when you're just bathing in gratitude. So fill yourself up with gratitude as often as you possibly can. Have a gratitude journal. Carry around some things to be great pictures. I don't have my phone in front. Well, I do, but yeah, there we go. I have my phone. There's my phone right there. I'm grateful for my son. I have pictures that I look at, and I look at them throughout the day. I'm grateful for my wife. I have pictures of my clients. I'm grateful for my clients. So pictures work really well with me. And when I see a picture of my mom years ago, because she died when I was 17, or my father, or my brother, my sister, anybody, my children, I just feel this overwhelming gratitude and thankfulness that I've had, or I have, these people in my life. You just can't go negative when you're filled with gratitude. Okay, I'm absolutely certain that you are manifesting the life and happiness and love that you desire. Hey, be sure and subscribe and click that bell icon.